Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fun Time. And today I want to show flags of 7 countries. And let's get into the video. I made them using my Rubik's Cube. And okay, let's get to the video. And guys, this is our first flag. This is the well-known Indian flag. I have made this using my Rubik's Cube. And this was pretty difficult to make this one. And I made this using my Rubik's Cube. And yeah, it's great. And okay, let's see the next flag. Dun, 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 dun. And this is our next flag. This is the Austria's flag. And this was easy to make. And this also I made using my Rubik's Cube. You can see the flag up. And okay, let's see the next flag. Bum, 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 bum. And this is the next flag. This is the England's flag. I have made this also using my Rubik's Cube. This was really difficult to make for me. And okay, let's see the next flag. Just kidding. This is the Japanese flag. This was really easy for me to make using my Rubik's Cube. I just mixed it. And okay, let's see the next flag. And here comes the biggest country of our world, the Russian flag. I also made this using my Rubik's Cube. And okay, let's see the next flag. Chun, 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 chun. And this is the next flag. This is the Italian flag, the founder of pizzas, the country who founded pizza. And this was also really easy for me to make. And okay, let's see the next flag. And okay, this one is the Bangladesh flag, the Bangladeshi flag. This was also easy as Japanese flag. Almost easy, almost similar.